Hello friends! I have a handmade tradition to begin to crochet Christmas toys in June. So if you want to join, welcome! Today we will crochet together such a beautiful snowflake. My favorite yarn for snowflakes is YarnArt Begonia, and the size of my hook for this yarn is 2.1. First of all, we make the first stitch and crochet 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the first chain, we make a slip stitch, and then we make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And 1 double crochet. Then we make 2 chains, 1, 2, and 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. Then 2 chains and again 2 double crochets. 1, 2. 2 chains, 2 double crochets. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we need 6 such pairs. So we make 2 chains and 2 double crochets. 1, 2, 2 chains and 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Then we make 2 chains, and in the third chain we make a slip stitch. Then we begin to crochet the next row. We make a chain, then a single crochet, again a single crochet, and 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 single crochet, the second single crochet, the third single crochet, and the fourth single crochet. And then we make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again the first single crochet, the second, the third, and the fourth. 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. The first single crochet, the second, the third, the fourth, and again 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 single crochets, 2, 3, 4. 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 single crochet, and then we make a slip stitch in this stitch. Here we go. Then we crochet a slip stitch, 1, again a slip stitch, and a slip stitch here. Then we make a chain and 1 single crochet. Then we make 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a slip stitch in the first chain. Then we make 8 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a slip stitch in the first of this chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a slip stitch in the first. Then we make a single crochet and again a single crochet. Then we make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a single crochet and the second single crochet. Then we repeat this part. So we make 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a single crochet, a slip stitch, not a single crochet, a slip stitch in the first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a slip stitch, and then we make 2 single crochets, 1, 2. Then we make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. Two single crochets, 1, 2, and repeat this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a slip stitch, 2 single crochets, 1, 2, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 single crochets, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains, a slip stitch in the first chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a slip stitch, and 2 single crochets, 1, 2, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 single crochets, 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a slip stitch, and 2 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, 1, 2 single crochets, and one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a slip stitch, and 2 single crochets, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a slip stitch here, and we pull the thread to the back side of our snowflake, and then we cut off the thread and take a needle and hide the thread between stitches. And to cut off the rest of the thread. And we have such a beautiful snowflake. Thank you for attention and have a nice day.